How to view Instagram Insights on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application directly, and the very first thing that you want to do is to actually set your account into professional. So to do that is go to your profile here, and then on the upper right you'll see three dash lines there. Tap on that and tap on settings. Now under settings, what I want you to do next is to tap on the account, and here on account, what I want you to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see switch to professional account. Tap on that and then just read this information, what is professional account all about, and tap on continue. Now it will actually ask you how would you describe your professional account. So let's say digital creator, and then tap on done. Now let's say just creator here, just set up everything here and answer all their questions. So tap on X here. Here you have now actually set your account to professional account. What you want to do is on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines again there on your profile, right? Tap on that. Now here, these options will actually come out, and here you will see the insight section, the insight option. Tap on that, and basically that is how you view Instagram Insights on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.